Welcome. Thanks for watching these series of educational videos. They are focused on showing you our different films, different applications, and specialty processes. Today we're focusing in on our specialty film swatch book. If you haven't seen this yet, you're going to want to get one. Inside are 5 different films. Each one has been laminated onto paper and then 4-color process printed on top of the film itself. Underneath the octopus, which is the main part of the image here, you're going to see that we have printed 2 hits of opaque white behind the octopus, 4-color process on top of that image, and then around the octopus, the background area has no opaque white, so it shows what the image looks like printed directly on top of the film. After the film was printed, it was then spot UV coated over top of the octopus, as well as on the turned edge. You'll see that the octopus arm has the same UV coating on it as well. Following the UV coating, they were die cut into the shape, they were scored, and they were assembled using a hidden wire O at the back. Specialty processes are all described at the back and how they were done and who did them, and as well as the actual finishing process. The films that we're looking at are opaque white film. This film is pure white. It can be used on the surface of a paper that you want to add durability to. You want to be able to print on top of the film, and that kind of application. Very unique. You don't see a lot of white film out there. We have our matte silver film. This film is not completely matte. It's a bit shiny, and again, you'll see underneath the image around the octopus, you get to see the actual silver behind the image, and it offers a really unique look to that. And as well, you get a strong contrast of the UV coating on the octopus itself. The next film is our soft touch silver. If you've been around for a while and watched some of our videos, we've talked about our soft touch films before. This is a soft touch silver film. So white paper with a soft touch film on both sides, 2 hits of white underneath the octopus with 4-color process on top of everything else. Spot UV coated, scored, die cut, and formed into the book. The next one is our soft touch gold film, a very, very luscious feeling film. This is going to be really well used in applications where you want something to look really elegant. Bags, promotional pieces, and maybe envelopes for special events and stuff like that. Again, you get a real strong contrast of the UV coating on top of the film and on top of the image. You get to see a little bit of the gold in the background. If you wanted to, you could put a full flood of ink on top of the whole sheet and you would not really get the same effect, but this is very unique. And you've likely seen our soft touch black because we've had this around for quite a while. This one has 2 hits of white on the wording on the back as well as on the turned edge. This one has no printing around the background. You really wouldn't see it with a soft touch black, but it does have 2 hits of white underneath the octopus, and the same UV coating is screen printed on top. I hope you enjoyed looking at this brochure. Welcome you to order one. Just give us a shout out and we'll be glad to send one out to you. Enjoy your day and look for our next video, which is going to show some printed pieces, some actual live pieces using some of these films. Thanks very much.